how to allow or don't allow AssistiveTouch to be controlled by game controllers on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down, and in here, we're going to tap on Touch. Next, tap on AssistiveTouch. Then we scroll down, and in here, tap on Use Game Controller. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. And if you want to switch it off, just tap on the toggle button to turn it off. And that is how you can allow or don't allow AssistiveTouch to be controlled by game controllers. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.